Casting on is getting the first row before you can start knitting. Make a slip knot, take the yarn, wrap it around your hand, and put it back on the needle. Again, just pick up the yarn. Make sure you're always wrapping it around your hand in the same direction, and then adjust. Don't pull the yarn too tight like this. You always want to make sure that it fits loosely on the needle, but not too loosely, like so. You can also wrap it around your finger. It's completely up to you, as long as you're always doing everything in the same direction. And then when you have a lot of stitches, like don't push all of them onto the cable. It's good to have maybe 3-4 stitches on the needle, and the rest you can just let them slide off to the cable. And then you can just keep casting on the number of stitches that your pattern calls for. And you're done. Make sure to always count the stitches. And this is just one of the methods of casting on. There's many, and this is just one of them, one of the easiest ones.